My name is the Convention Traveler and I am here as my first time vlogging. Where I'm going today is Hobbycon 2026. It's our last day there. We're going to Festival Mall at Alabang, and just like that. We will be seeing many cosplayers. I'll be asking questions about them, their favorite game, and then would make them post for quite a bit. And that's what I plan to do. I'll get back to you in a quick video of me traveling, going to my place onto Alabang. Ciao! So, nandito na ako, papunta na sa Alabang Festival. Sunday ngayon, parang sobrang dami ng tao. Alam mo, karaming selection nila ay pumupunta sa mall. I'm just giving update lang. Wala lang talaga, ganito lang. Nandyan na tayo. Kakapasok ko lang talaga.
Going once, 370 going twice, 370 so.
Hello po, what is your cosplay?
I'm actually cosplaying just a male version of Ado, the Japanese singer. So yeah, cospless lang talaga siya.
My last question, what tips or tricks do you want for aspiring cosplayer?
Actually po, there's nothing wrong po naman sa cosplaying. Like, if you're a new person like yourself, actually you can start with just your mga damit mo sa mga cabinet mo, like jacket, mga coats mo, paano may sa cabinet mo. Kasi wala namang barrier talaga cosplay kasi for fun lang talaga siya, hindi siya competition.
So yun ang isa, ano pa man ang iba pa. I'm here with another cosplayer. Say hello po.
Hello.
What is your cosplay? Can you describe your cosplay, please?
So my cosplay, his name is Shadow from the anime Eminence in Shadow.
What characteristics do you like about him?
I like the fact that he's very strong. You can simply one-hit delete most enemies with his one attack.
I see. What is your advice for those who are aspiring to be a cosplayer like you?
Maybe one thing I advise to aspiring cosplayers is to earn money, to earn a lot of money. Cosplay, we gotta admit, it's not a cheap hobby. It's very expensive actually. So yeah, before you enter cosplay, I advise you to earn money first.
So currently, one cosplayer said to enjoy being a cosplayer, and other one is said that the cosplay is very expensive, so you must save up. I'm gonna find another one or more if I can find them.
Super!
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm cosplaying as Frankie from One Piece.
What made you interested in One Piece?
Childhood, or napapanood sa TV, then nostalgia na lang, tinuloy-tuloy na lang nung tumanda. Yeah.
How much time did you make making this costume?
Maybe 1 to 2 months.
Oh, very long. Okay, last one. What do you recommend or tips for the aspiring cosplayers?
Be passionate. If you want to cosplay, just do it.
Yun ang pangatlo na pumayag. Yung iba kasi ay ayaw kasi nahiya. Pauwi na ako. So pauwi na ako after ko dun sa Hobby Fest. And at the very least, I enjoyed it. So the next video will be talking about may event kasi na mangyayari kasi dun sa SM North EDSA sa January 30 at sa January 30 or 31, may iba ganun. Kaya yung next ko talaga ay mga nasa SM talaga. Well, bye-bye!